No legitimate survey site can promise zero screening questions because companies use them to match participants with the right research study before paying for a survey. By the end of this video, you'll know which survey platforms keep screening to a minimum and how to avoid wasting time on surveys you don't qualify for. The first platform is Prolific. Instead of asking screening questions before every survey, Prolific builds a detailed participant profile when you join. Researchers use that information to invite people who already match their target audience, so you spend less time answering qualification questions and more time completing paid studies. Next is Cloud Research Connect Data. Like Prolific, it relies heavily on your account profile to match you with available research projects. That approach reduces the number of screening questions compared with many traditional survey websites and creates a smoother experience for participants. Third is YouGov. YouGov asks demographic questions when you create your account and occasionally updates your profile over time. Once your information is complete, many surveys are matched to your profile instead of requiring long qualification sessions before every study. The fourth option is Research. Membership is more selective than many survey sites, but accepted members often receive surveys that closely match their profile. Because invitations are targeted, you typically encounter fewer disqualifications than on open survey platforms. The fifth platform is LifePoints. LifePoints still uses screening questions for some surveys, but maintaining a complete profile can improve your chances of receiving studies that better fit your demographics. While you won't avoid screening entirely, you may qualify for more surveys over time. Here's the key point. If a website claims there are absolutely no screening questions, be skeptical. Legitimate market research companies need to verify that participants match the client's target audience before collecting responses. The best survey sites don't eliminate screening completely, they reduce it by using the profile information you've already provided. To save time, complete your profile honestly as soon as you join, keep your demographic information updated, and respond consistently whenever profile updates appear. That gives survey platforms a better chance of matching you with studies you're actually eligible to complete. If your goal is the fewest qualification questions possible, Prolific and Cloud Research Connect are usually the strongest choices. For traditional consumer surveys, YouGov, Pinecone Research, and LifePoints are solid alternatives. If this comparison helped you avoid frustrating survey disqualifications, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best survey sites to use in 2026.